Hey guys, welcome back to Unlimited Shades of Innovation. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to make sure you don't miss any update. So guys, now let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recycle Dark Fantasy biscuit box. So here I'm going to recycle this biscuit box and I'm going to make a pen stand or a desk organizer. So the material required for this project is mentioned in the description box. So if you want to know more details about it, you can just check out the description box below. So guys, do try this project, and once you're done with this project, take a nice picture and send it to me. I'll just mention my mail ID in the description box below. And while sending the picture, add your name so that I can share the picture along with your name. So this is just to make this platform more interactive. So do give it a try. So guys, be careful if you're trying to apply this metallic color with your finger, because if there are any sharp edges of these eggshells, then it might hurt you. So be careful while doing it. So this is the final look. So do give it a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Unlimited shades of innovation. Do something creative every day. Take care. Bye bye.